Hello friends, welcome back to my new video in my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys Nokia mobile setting, Nokia keypad mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to turn on torch in Nokia keypad mobile. Friends, you want to turn on torch in your Nokia keypad mobile. So friends, now let's see how to turn on torch one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about. So before starting video, friends, first of all, go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So once in your Nokia keypad mobile you want to on torch, so you can on torch. First of all guys, open your phone menu setting, press your OK button. Menu setting will on. Friends, go setting you can use, scroll down here. Calculator, voice recorder setting, alarm setting you can use. Torch. So once you want to on torch in a Nokia keypad mobile, you can on torch. OK option, press here. Torch will on in Nokia keypad mobile. Again press your OK button, torch will off. Friends, you can see turn on torch, OK button press, torch will on. Again press, torch will on, off. So friends, you can on and you can off torch in your Nokia keypad mobile. Again you want to on, so friends, again click a torch and you can on torch, you can on flashlight in Nokia keypad mobile. And friends, if you turn on phone settings, so friends, you can see torch setting is not here. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video.